Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Lyall Public School. We are here with class 6 English composition and today's topic is article and speech writing. Article and speech writing is a part of composition which basically writes paragraphs. आप बहुत एक descriptive writing करते हो in article and speech writing. It is used for a lot of descriptive writings in which you describe things very profoundly with great details. Okay, in message writing and notice writing, our point was that we have to be very precise in our writing, very short we have to write. But in article and speech writing, what you have to do is you have to write very detailed, you have to give a very detailed description of everything. It's called descriptive writing also, where you're describing almost everything. First, we are going to see what an article is. An article is a kind of writing that is written to reach a massive audience. An article is an writing which is used to reach massive audience, means a lot of people are to be reached through this. Okay, बहुत सारे लोगों को आपको access करना होता है article writing के through, so this is that kind of writing. Then it requires a lot of research and writing skill. Article लिखने से पहले आप बस मुंह उठा के article नहीं लिख सकते. What you have to do is you have to study about your topic a lot. You should have knowledge about your topic and then only you can write about it. Okay. The main aim of article writing is to bring some difference in the world by changing the views of the people. It is also more of a social work kind of a thing where you express your feelings towards something so that you can change the perception of the other people also. आप उसको इस तरीके से करते हो ताकि जो बाकी के लोग हैं उनको भी आप जो है वो सही से समझा सको कि आप जो कह रहे हो या आप जो कर रहे हो that is very much important and you should change your perception. तो जनरली जो सोशल इंपॉर्टेंस के टॉपिक्स होते हैं वही आर्टिकल राइटिंग में दिए जाते हैं. Format of article writing is very simple. First, you have to give a brief introduction in a paragraph. ठीक है. Then body of 2 or 3 paragraph, 2 या 3 paragraph को लिखने जिसमें main content and points of the topic होंगे. And at last, you have to write another paragraph with a short conclusion. So basically, you have to write 4 to 5 paragraphs, in which the first paragraph you have to give an introduction. Then you have to write 2 or 3 paragraphs for explanation your point, and then a short conclusion. That also in a paragraph. Okay, so सब कुछ paragraph में चलेगा और कोई भी इसका format जो है नहीं है. हमने जैसे notice में लिखा था ना कि you have to put it in a box, you have to write the word notice, nothing. Okay, nothing of that sort. This is one example. Write an article in about 200 words for your school magazine, Save Trees and Save Your City. इस टाइप का आएगा. इससे पहले और descriptive भी आ सकता है, but basically this is the question. Out of all the elements found on the earth, the trees account for sustainability on a large portion, occupying vast extents of land and forests, nature parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Trees purify atmosphere and oxygen. All forms of life depend direct or indirect needs of the resources provided by the trees. Large industries and organizations derive the raw material in form of wood, paper, fiber, and timber obtained from tree. While producing these materials is of utmost importance, it is equally important to preserve the balance of nature. Excessive deforestation or cutting down of trees to suit different needs can threaten the future of life on earth. As the number of trees is reducing every day, pollution levels are increasing. With this, soil erosion, global warming has also reached their peaks of risk. Under these circumstances, some measures to save trees include campaign to promote afforestation, preventing forest fires, preventing pollution and soil erosion, using wood, paper, etc. judicially, planting more trees at individual level. With these and many more steps by the government, NGO and people alike, some consequences of deforestation and destruction may be prevented. Trees exist on the planet before us and may continue to grow again after us too, but our lives are completely dependent on the number of trees we are saving and saplings we plant in a lifetime. Okay, so basically यहाँ पे हमने starting में क्या किया? We introduced that what we are talking about, the importance of trees, then what are the problems that are being caused because of the cutting of trees, what can we do to save trees, and then a conclusion कि हमें पेड़ों को क्यों बचाने की जरूरत है. दिस इज द ओनली फॉर्मेट ऑफ एन आर्टिकल. आपको अपनी राइटिंग स्किल्स यूज करनी है और इसको लिखना है, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. ओके, that was article writing. Article writing and speech writing are almost the same thing. You will just get a topic and you have to describe the topic. Only difference is that in article writing you do not introduce anyone, but in speech writing you have to give an introduction also. Speech writing is a way of sharing your thoughts with an audience through words, means this is spoken. Article writing is a written format and speech writing is a vocal format. Speech writing जो है वो आप बोलते हो, speech is what you speak, and article speech is what people will hear and article is what people will read. The tone of speech differs from an essay. As in a speech you must grab the attention of the audience. Essay से, article से, इन सब चीजों से, paragraph से, speech writing का जो टोन होता है that is a bit different because you have to grab the attention of the audience. आपको audience का जो attention है वो आपको grab करना होता है, क्योंकि आपको ये करना है कि people keep on listening to what you are saying. They cannot just ignore you. जब आप उनसे directly बात कर रहे हो तो you have to make sure that they are listening to you also. Okay. Format of speech writing is again the same as article writing. Introduction you have to do. In this, one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to greet the audience. आपको audience को जो है वो greet करना पड़ेगा. Tell them about yourself. अपना एक introduction देना पड़ेगा and then introduce the topic. Then again you have to present the topic in an elaborate manner. उसको पूरा explain करना है, उसके pros and cons बताने हैं. And whatever information you have to give about that into 3 paragraphs. Then conclusion, you have to give a summary of your speech, wrap up the topic and leave the audience with a compelling reminder to think about. आपने जिस भी चीज के बारे में बात करी उसके बारे में भी आपको अपनी audience को बोलना पड़ेगा. See, we talked about all these things and I hope you'll think about it. Yeah, whatever kind of language you're using, that you have to use to complete the speech. This is one small example. Write a speech on education of a girl child. Okay, I told you that topics will generally be of some social importance. पहले सेव ट्रीज था और अब गर्ल एजुकेशन है. ठीक है, दोनों जो है वो सोशली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है. तो ऐसे ही टॉपिक जनरली जो है वो आर्टिकल राइटिंग में और स्पीच राइटिंग में आपको मिलेंगे. अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम to all the teachers and students present in the auditorium. Greeting to the audience. I am here to deliver a speech on girls education. This can be written in this way also, and it can be given in a detailed manner also, that I am so and so from so and so class or so and so school and I am here for this and that, and इस type का जो है वो आप बोल सकते हो. Education is very necessary for every child, whether boy or girl. It helps a person study new things with skill and learn about the facts of the world. Education plays an important role in the protection of women's rights. It also helps to prevent discrimination based on gender. Education increases productivity in their work. An educated woman has skills, information, talent, and self-confidence that makes her a better mother, employee, and resident of the country. Education is the key factor of girls' empowerment, prosperity, development, and welfare. The rise of girls' education was mainly done by King Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar during British rule in India. He paid attention to the education of women. Some leaders of the scheduled caste community like Jyotiba Phule and Baba Saheb Ambedkar has initiated many initiatives to provide education to the women of India. I would like to conclude by saying that parents need to educate girls about the qualities and benefits of education. Girls' education is essential for the future of the country because women are the first teacher of children. Uneducated women cannot contribute to the family's management and fail to take care of children. This is not only the responsibility of the government but also the responsibility of the people around us. The best part is that our Prime Minister had made very good initiatives for the education of girls through Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign in villages. For the development of our country, we need to educate all girls. ठीक है, तो I would like to conclude is इंडिकेशन कि आपका जो स्पीच है दैट इज अबाउट टू कम टू एन एंड, तो आपको ये सारी चीजें भी बोलनी है, आपको अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस भी करना है, ठीक है। Other than that, what you have to keep in mind is that while you're writing an article or speech, you need to have your research. आपको उस टॉपिक के बारे में कुछ स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो होना जरूरी है। जैसे फर्स्ट स्पीच के आर्टिकल के अंदर जब हमने देखा तो वी सॉ दैट वी नीड टू नो द वेज इन विच वी कैन सेव फॉरेस्ट एंड यूज दिस सेव ट्रीज इन दिस, और उससे क्या क्या नुकसान हो रहे। स्पीच राइटिंग के अंदर वी सॉ दैट which people have worked for female education की जरूरत क्यों है। So that way you have to be very much aware of what you're talking. You must have your facts right. अगर नहीं है तो कुछ बेसिक जो भी फैक्ट्स आपको पता होते हैं वो आपको इन्फॉर्म करने वहां पर जरूरी है, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू डू इट, ओके। आपको वेल इन्फॉर्म्ड होना पड़ेगा। आपकी दोनों की लैंग्वेज के अंदर जो टोन है दैट हैज टू बी डिफरेंट इन स्पीच, इट हैज टू बी मोर एंगेजिंग, जिसके अंदर आप लोगों से बात कर सकते हो, रेटोरिकल क्वेश्चंस भी डाल सकते हो इसके अंदर, जिसके अंदर लाइक कि डू यू अग्री with me that girls should get education, ठीक है। everybody will agree, लेकिन you just have to point it out। तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस डाल के आप स्पीच को शुरू कर सकते हैं। you can end your speech with a question, ठीक है। that is article and speech writing. I hope it was clear to all of you and none of you have a doubt. The most important part of this is that you have to improve योर राइटिंग स्किल्स। आपको अपना लैंग्वेज जो है वो सही करना पड़ेगा, आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज यूज करनी पड़ेगी इसके अंदर लिखने के लिए, ठीक है। तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल what words you are choosing, okay। I hope the topic is clear to all. Thank you.